Now if you have a cheap tripod like this that appears to be noisy and creaky as you pan and tilt it, one little improvement you can do to smooth that out, start first by taking it apart. Now the problem is the surfaces in here and then your contact points here rub and creak. So what you want to do is take some sandpaper, start out with a 220, and just smooth those surfaces out. And if you've ever noticed plastic parts, they have these seams where the forms sections were. You want to try to remove those. And then in this case, this clamp was just a little bit too tight, even without being tightened down. So it just, that plastic on plastic just creaked and groaned as you tried to move it. So what you're doing is you're just removing a little bit of that surface and smoothing it out. Now I've already smoothed it so you can not see, but there was actually that little ring on the inside. And so you can do that on this surface. All you're doing is just smoothing it out and slowly increasing the diameter of here. On this one, what I did was smoothed these surfaces here, and then also here, any of these contact points. You want to sand them with 220 and then go to 400 to really smooth it out. And then just put a little bit of oil on there, rub it on there, and it'll greatly improve your smoothness and give you a real nice pan and tilt. Now this is going to change a little bit depending on your brand of tripod. But now there's no creaking, groaning, or nothing. It just moves real nice and smooth. Try it out if you have this problem, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you know anybody else that has that issue, give them a link to the vid, and hope it helps you guys.